Hi everyone, Beth Dotson here with HomeZada. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thank you for joining us and thank you for watching this video. And always remember, you can subscribe to HomeZada at our YouTube channel or even go to our website at www.homezada.com. And today I want to just give you a simple tip. It's one that most people don't know that you can use HomeZada for, but remember, there's all kinds of unlimited ways and flexibility using HomeZada. This tip is all about taking videos about tasks that are really unique to your house, but you really want to store them and you want to rewatch them because maybe you only do these tasks once a year. So what do I mean by this? Well, let me tell you. One of the things that you may have in your house is you may have a pool. You may not, but let's go with it, okay? So sometimes people have pools and they have heating mechanisms. And what I mean by that is they usually use gas-powered heating or electric heating to heat the pool if they don't have a solar cover. By the way, I would highly recommend a solar cover. Super affordable and actually works amazingly. But on the side note that maybe you don't have a solar cover and you have some sort of form of heating mechanism that you physically have to turn on. Well, I can tell you in my house, I do have a pool and I do have a heating mechanism and I don't know how to turn it on. So I record my husband actually showing me how to turn it on so that if I need to do it, I now have the video in HomeZada under a maintenance task or under an inventory item so that I can reference it and go back to it and then take care of it on my own. The same thing holds true if maybe you need to readjust a pilot light on a gas-powered fireplace. And once again, I don't usually do that, but I know how. And then maybe you also have other unique circumstances where there's video that you could take for a really unique home. Maybe you have radiators instead of a central house system. And then those radiators need video. One of the things that I have to take video on because it's a bit of a frustration to me, but is my outdoor lights because it's on a system and my irrigation. Yes, I live in a state that requires irrigation. So I need to take those videos because I don't do that. My husband does that, but I need to take videos because if I needed to adjust anything, I can now go out and adjust it. And we always have daylight savings and time, and that kind of screws up with lights and all kinds of things. But also if your power is ever to go out, some of these adjustments require additional adjustments. And other times I would have to wait for my husband. Now I don't have to do that because I have taken videos of all these different tasks and put them inside HomeZada. Now, don't get me wrong. My husband wasn't always thrilled, like him trying to pose and take these videos, but in the long run, it was so worth it. And he's appreciative of it as well. So whenever we sell our home and the new home buyer gets all this information, they now know how to operate all the different systems in our house as well without just pure paper, with video that is specific to our house. So I only give you this tip because it's something really helpful. It's something you can do on the fly. You can use your HomeZada app as well as your phone to make it happen. Super simple. And guess what? You don't ever have to go, what was that I had to do? You now have the video that you can reference. So I hope this tip helps you and I hope you find it very valuable. Please, if you have any questions, please email us at info@homezada.com. Visit us at homezada.com. And by all means, subscribe to this channel. We'll come back to you with more tips. Have a great day.